السلام عليكم. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. In today's lesson we are going to learn الضمائر, the pronouns inshallah. The pronoun in Arabic means ضمير, is a word used in place of a noun. Its plural is الضمائر, the pronouns. There are two types of pronouns in Arabic. First one الضمائر الشخصية أو المنفصلة, and the second one الضمائر الملكية أو المتصلة, possessive or attached pronouns. I will only explain the first one in this lesson inshallah. الضمائر الشخصية أو المنفصلة, personal or detached pronouns. These pronouns can be called as الضمائر الشخصية, personal pronouns, because they denote people in place of nouns. Or they can be called as الضمائر المنفصلة, detached or unattached pronouns, because they are not attached or joined to any word but appear as separate words. They function as al-mubtada, subject in the sentence. There are 14 pronouns. Now here we have two ways to categorize the pronouns. The first one as persons, al-ghaib, third person, al-mukhatab or al-hadir, second person, and al-mutakallim, first person. The other way to categorize the pronouns is as numbers, mufrad, singular, muthanna, dual, and jam', plural. Now let's begin. Huwa, he, huma, they two, hum, they all, and these are all مذكر or masculine. هي, she, huma, they two, hunna, they all, and these are مؤنث, feminine. These two rows are third person. Now second person, أنت, you, أنتما, you two, أنتم, you all, and these are مذكر, masculine. أنتِ, you, أنتما, you two, أنتن, you all, and these are مؤنث, feminine. And the last one المتكلم, first person, أنا, I, and نحن, we. These two can be used for both male and female. As we see, there is no special form of dual. For نحن, it can be used for both dual and plural. They are مذكر and مؤنث, masculine and feminine. There is no female form. They can be used for male and female. These pronouns must be memorized. If you think that this way will be difficult to memorize, we have another way to list the pronouns in the same order. Now here we have the pronouns in the same order. huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, أنت, أنتما, أنتم, أنتِ, أنتما, أنتن, أنا, نحن. Let's go back. See, the order is same. huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, أنت, أنتما, أنتم, أنتِ, أنتما, أنتن, أنا, نحن. These 6 rows are third person, and the next 6 rows are second person, and the last 2 rows are first person. They don't actually mean third person, second person, first person. We call them in English so, but in Arabic it means al-ghaib, absent, the one who is not present with you. Al-mukhatab, al-hadir, the present, the one who is present with you. Al-mutakallim is speaker, the one who is speaking. Now let's use them in a sentence. Huwa, he, huwa talibun, he is a student. Huma, they two, huma talibani, they two are students. Hum, they all, hum tullabun, they all are students. These 3 are مذكر, masculine. Hiya, she, hiya طالبة, she is a student. Huma, they two. هما طالبتان, they two are students. هن, they all. هن طالبات, they all are students. And these three are مؤنث, feminine. As we see, there are two huma, they two, and huma, they two. It's same, exactly same, but in a sentence when we use with a noun, the noun must be masculine and feminine. Huma talibani for masculine, and huma talibatani for feminine. Let's go to the next. Al-mukhatab or al-hadir, second person. Anta you, anta talibun, you are a student. Antuma, you two. Antuma talibani, you two are students. Antum, you all. Antum tullabun, you all are students. These three rows are mudhakkar, masculine. Anti, you. Anti talibatun, you are a student. Antuma, you two. Antuma talibatani, you two are students. Antunna, you all. Antunna talibatun, you all are students. And these three rows are muannath, feminine. And last two rows are al-mutakallim, first person. Ana, I. Ana talibun or talibatun, I am a student. Remember we said ana can be used for male and female. Nahnu, we. Nahnu talibani or talibatani, or tullabun or talibatun, we two or we all are students. Remember we said nahnu also can be used for male and female, and there's no special dual form of nahnu. It can be used for dual and plural. So we use for masculine dual and feminine dual, and we use masculine plural and feminine plural. Before I conclude the lesson, I would like to mention a very important point with regards to the pronouns. Let's imagine we have a male student in the class and the rest of the students are female. Doesn't matter how many students are there, but the rest is female and we have one male student. And you want to say in Arabic, they are students. In English, there is only one word means they for male and female. In Arabic, there are two words mean they, one for male and one for female. So which one must be used for this class, male or female? Hum tullabun, they all are male students. And the next option is hunna talibatun, they all are female students. In the first one we use masculine pronoun and masculine plural, and in the next one we use feminine pronoun and feminine plural. According to the rule is the first one correct and the next one is wrong. So in the class, if there is one student and the remaining of the students are female, but we must still use the masculine form of pronoun. That's all for today's lesson. See you next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.